Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi Q5 SE. The car's got the Xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights, with the front headlight washer jets, front and rear parking sensors, and as we move around to the side of the vehicle, we have the 18-inch 5-spoke, twin-spoke design alloy wheels. Chrome surround on the exterior windows with the chrome roof bars, and moving to the rear we have a full power tailgate with the LED backlights and the integrated exhausts. This is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, we have the full black twin leather on the inside of the door cards with the electronic folding exterior mirrors and the twin leather on the interior. Automatic headlights and wipers with a 3-spoke multifunctional leather steering wheel with cruise control. Coloured display in the centre with the clocks with Audi's MMI display. 3-zone digital climate control with heated seats. S-tronic automatic gearbox with auto hold assist and the electronic handbrake. If you'd like any more information on this Audi Q5 SE, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.